The Palomar knot, the strongest knot known to mankind. Pull your main line out and double your line over. Put the doubled over line through the eye of the hook. And make sure the gap of the hook is facing your rod and reel. Now make a loop on top. Like that. Now you're going to put the first loop through the loop you just made. Now pull this loop over the hook. And pull it tight. Make sure you wet your line when clinching the knot. Make sure all the fishing line comes up over the eye of the hook. Cut your tag. One more time without interruption.